Now let us develop the funnel from the scratch. So this is the same concept wherein which we use it for all the processes. Like the same procedure or the same process we follow it for normal Google marketing or search engine marketing or social media marketing or email marketing or content marketing or WhatsApp marketing or whatever the marketing we have. Okay, so whatever the marketing which you wanted to plan, so we use the same funnel over there. Okay, so we don't discuss again and again all these things in each and every topic, right, or each and every module. So this is the common for every model. So we are not going to, or we are not getting in that depth as we are going now. Okay, so we will discuss everything only once so that it won't be repeated, and we will only focus on that tool itself. Okay, so that is how we proceed. So this is the basically the strategy is nothing but the list of do's and don'ts,
Don'ts.
right? Write down. Strategy is nothing but the list of do's and don'ts. Okay, so now you can also plan any strategy. You can also create a strategy for anyone, right? So it doesn't mean that only the senior professional do that, something like that. You can also do that. And strategy is simply nothing but the list of do's and don'ts, right? Now, for any digital marketing funnel you take, for any digital marketing funnel you take, so there will be two stages, two main stages. One is the seed stage, and the other one is the growth stage. So when I'm talking about the seed stage, let us discuss about if you sow a seed, how much time it will take to give you the plant or to give you the fruits or flowers. Does it take any time?
Yeah, it takes years or
Sometimes if you need
months.
flowers, it takes years, right?
Yes, sir.
For some flowers, it takes months,
Months,
right?
yes.
Only for plants, if you take at least it will take 2 to 3 weeks if you need a plant, right? So in the same way, in the digital marketing also, overnight we cannot do something or overnight we cannot build something. Okay, this is where everybody make a mistake. Like they think that yes, we can do something right, so we can become millionaire or we can get a lot of customers overnight. No, because here also the same struggle which you need to put it over there as how you establish a business in traditionally. The only difference over here is the platform. By using the technology, we have some advantages. Until and unless you meet thousands and lakhs of people, you can't get the thrust. So if you want to become very popular, what is the simple formula? You must be recognized by at least 1 lakh people first. Okay, before that 10,000 people first. Before that 1,000 people first. Right? After reaching the 1 lakh people, if the 10 lakh people can recognize you, you are popular. If 1 crore people are reaching you or recognizing you and you are popular. It is very simple, right? But it takes a lot of time because you don't have, we will not be having that much fun. So we need to see digital marketing or Facebook or all this platform gives us an opportunity wherein you need to create something viral content which can through which you can easily go to reach lakhs of people easily. Okay, you can easily reach lakhs of people. That is not at all a problem. But you need to plan all such things in a right manner. Then only it can be an advantage to your business, right? So now we can see the growth stage. So here also you need to invest that much time. That is the only thing. In the seed stage, we need to invest a lot of time. So for what reason we have to invest a lot of time over here? So again in the seed stage, we have three stages. One is planning stage, the second one is the reach stage, the third one is the act stage. So in the planning stage, we need to define our personas. We need to define our target audience. The same thing like STP, segmentation, targeting, position, what we have learned in the basics of marketing. The same thing you need to spend a lot of time and first define them. Their characteristics you need to define, and you need to prepare the branded content, like what all that assets, like what all the videos, what all the images which you need to uh, promote. Okay, so all these things you need to plan in advance, so wherein you will develop or you will invest some time only on exploring these things. Okay, exploring what to do, 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 what to do. So planning is always, it is the list of what to do's, right? You need to plan everything in that. So concretely, very minute steps also you will write. So those things you need to plan in advance. And again, what all the channels required, how do you meet them? You define your personas or target customers or ideal customer profile or customer avatars. Everybody says the same thing. If you join any agency, the people may they may ask you, your manager may ask you to prepare the list of ICP. ICP is nothing but ideal customer profile. Somebody say that identify the buyer personas. That is also same. So what exactly mean by buyer persona? We'll see that in detail now. Okay, but you need to do these kind of activities. Then the next one is the reach. Like how do you reach them? How do you reach more and more people? How exactly we can use this content, and from where, what all the sources where we can promote it? What all the sources where we can connect our business with, right? Then we will focus on why people are not acting in favor of you and what you should do to act in your favor. Okay, so these things we will plan in the act stage. So for that also you need any channel like website, or what do you measure? How do you measure that each and every activity? So we need to plan all these things in advance.
So could
Plan.
you explain me the act again? What is the act?
Act is something why the people are not acting in favor of you.
Okay.
Okay, why the people are not acting in favor of you, what you should do to act in favor of your business. Okay, we will focus on that, what to do to, so that the people can act in favor of you. So we will focus on all such things. And again, there also we provide relevant content hub, we deliver inspirational content, provide clear customer journey. So we give all such kind of details over there. Then we ask them to download something. Okay, see, ultimately in the act stage we are focusing on conversion. We are focusing on conversion. So in the act stage, let us consider, even if we fine tune this act stage, we can also focus on uh, offer. Okay, offer great value, offer great value in the act stage, offer great value. So what is that value which you offer it to your customer? How do you influence your customer? So we focus on all these things so that they can fill up or they can buy your product or service in that particular act stage. Then again we have the convert stage. So in the conversion stage again we have A, B, C. Like we will be having landing page A, landing page B. Landing page means somebody who clicks on the ad and immediately wherever they land on. So we call that as a landing page, right? And we do the heavy A/B testing. Like if you test only two pages, then we call it as A/B testing. And if you have more options like A, B, C, then we call it as multivariate testing. Multivariate testing. You may not understand this. I will explain you now in a different way. Suppose you have a suppose if you have a landing page one. Let us take this one. In India, usually we will be having the forms at this place. Okay, right side we will be having. Okay, but in US we will be having the forms at the left side. See, ma'am, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, because it is like in India, this kind of landing page we will get more conversions. But in US, if we focus on this is for India, this is for USA. Okay, so this is the form like wherein you type in name, email ID, and phone number, right? So now we have two options. These are nothing but we have two options. So this is option A, this is option B. B. And if we test these two options, we call it as A/B testing. We are working on A/B testing, whether this one is working or this one is working. The same thing we will focus on the multivariate testing. So what do we do in the multivariate testing? We create another form. Okay, we create another landing page wherein we focus on by putting this particular form in the center. Okay, and one landing page we target it for the men by see to attract the men there is a simple color which we use. What color attracts the men, guys?
Blue.
Blue. So men in blue. So we use the blue color so that to attract the men. What color attracts the women?
Pink or red.
Pink color. Okay, so we use the pink color. So just imagine only to fix the landing page which one is converting more. Just imagine how many variations we have. This also I can use in pink and blue color shades. This also I can use pink and blue color. This one also pink and blue color. So we have 6 different options now. Then all these things if you are testing, then we call it as multivariate testing. Multi?
I didn't get it, sir. Like we create a page B, and then we create a AB.
Yes, yes.
Then why like
Hmm.
I'm confused.
What?
I didn't
Why?
get it.
No, we use sometimes to test which page is converting more. Okay, to
Okay.
know that because we are not sure like for which particular page the people are get attracted to.
Right.
So we use these kind of options. So then we call all these as multivariate testing. So we will focus more on the conversions in this much depth. Got it? If somebody is purchasing a product or not. So if somebody is not purchasing a product, so what is the color of the button? What is the size of the button? Where exactly it is located? Whether that button is located in these diagonals or not. So whenever you put any buttons, so you should put the buttons in this way. Okay, then only it will you can see the conversions. Okay, these all are the like if, whether you add it in the diagonal, then only you would get the conversions. So if you put somewhere else without over here, then obviously you don't see any conversions. Okay, so we need to understand this kind of psychology of the customer. So we have the different tools. So for to perform these tools, so like to this testing, we have another tool called SEO Optimizer, Google Optimizer. Google Optimize is another tool which is also free. Okay, so explore this Google Optimize. So Google is giving you all the options now, but we can use that. So that is how one can use. Okay, this is called A/B testing, right? So then we use the marketing automation software to convert more number of customers, like marketing automation software, and also we call it as CRM software nowadays. Marketing automation is handled by the CRM. So again in the CRM, like customer relationship management software, we have two types now, online and offline. But we need online CRM, not offline CRM. Online means suppose you have integrated that CRM with your website. Okay. So today Simi ma'am has filled up their form, right? Now the online CRM will track Simi ma'am because already your website has captured, that CRM software has captured that Simi ma'am has visited today. Now the moment, like after 3 days again if she visits, automatically there will be a score increase. So Simi ma'am has visited twice and she has visited so and so pages, and you have a scoring system. Like if they visit home page, you give a score of 10. If they visit contact us page, you give the score as 100, right? If they visit the product page, you give them the score of 50. So likewise it will keep on calculating the score for you. The moment you reach certain score like 300, 400 or 500 or 700, then automatically it will notify it will notify the telecaller or the sales manager or sales executive, so that you should call them now because they are engaging more with your website. Okay, so that means it is very minutely it is tracking. See, just imagine if you have a website and thousands of people are coming and you do not know what exactly is happening on your website. Just imagine what is that foolishness we are doing. So you have your own physical store, but you do not know what is happening in your store, right? How many people have come, what exactly they did, okay, what so whether they are interested in or not, right? They do not know all those things.
Hello, sir.
Okay, so these are the conversion methods. So we plan all these things in detail in the converting, so that we focus more on the conversion. So why the sale is not happening? So technically we focus on everything so that to make the conversions happen. So the marketing automation
Sir,
software, yes.
sir, like you said in the previous one, about that multiple variate.
Hmm.
So should we apply all those 4 pages or that multivariant on same web page or on same website?
Yeah, in same website only we create 4 pages, and sometimes
Okay.
for 100 people we target this one, 100 people we target that, 100 we target this, 100 we target that. So 400 people we have targeted, and we have shown the same landing page to the 100 people and see which page is getting more conversions. Okay,
Okay,
so
but how
yeah,
can we restrict only to 100 customers
you drive
or
the
100
traffic,
people?
right? No, you drive the traffic, right? You are running a campaign, the paid campaign, and automatically 100 clicks. The moment you reach 100 clicks, you will get to know that 100 people have visited this, right?
Okay.
I didn't get your question. How can we get 100 customers?
Yes, sir.
Means we are targeting them, right?
Yes.
We are targeting them through the paid campaigns. We run the
Okay.
we spend some money on that to get that visitors to your page.
Okay.
Do
Sir, I have a question.
yes.
Okay, sorry,
And
go
if
ahead. Go ahead.
and if we yes, sir.
Sorry,
And if we
Chetna.
get the 100 clicks, no, no, it's okay, ma'am. and if we get the 100 clicks there, so we have, as we are running the campaign, it would directly drive them to the next page, the another 100 customers.
No, you need to manually do that. See, for that also we have the automation pages. Like we have a separate landing page tools. Okay, there is an
Okay.
unbounce, there is a lead pages, so there are the different tools we have. So those tools will take care of that. Okay, so programmatic landing
Okay.
pages we have. So for that also we have a different application. It costs you 12,000 rupees per month. Okay,
Okay.
and the tool name is Unbounce. Okay, so these things you will come to know when this is the Unbounce tool. So this will take care of that as
Okay.
what you are
Yes.
asking. Okay, so really,
Okay.
yeah, if anything, so $135 and up to 1,000 conversions only. Okay, 1,000 conversions, $135 means how much it
Yes, sir.
is? 135 into 82
80,
divided by,
82.
so for every conversion you need to spend 11 rupees. Okay, only to monitor that. So these are the tools which are costly, right?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
for Simi ma'am that may be very less, cheaper only. Because 11 rupees means it is just
Percent.
11 divided by 82. So already 13 cents.
13 cents.
Okay, 13, 14 cents. So it is very cheap to them, but it is very costly to us, right? But we have these kind of tools readily available for you. Otherwise, you do it manually. Okay, so just we are knowing what to do. Okay, how to do those things comes in later, but now we are learning all these things. So that is how one can plan that. So conversion. So there will be a complete sign up process, the order process. You create multiple funnels so that you attract the customers over there. So let us learn about these planning stage wherein we define the personas. To define the personas, we need to first of all define your ideal customer avatars or buyer persona or ideal customer avatars or ideal customer profile. Everything is same, everybody calls us the same thing. So how do we define our ideal customer profile? Let us see that. So these all are the practices which we do. So this is how in depth we get into the business, so that to find the right customer for a business. Okay, so these all are the ideal customer profiles questionnaire. So first we focus on who are they. Suppose let us take any one business practically simultaneously so that you can understand your ideal customer avatars. Like let us take the Chetana's example. Like she's a spoken English trainer and she needs more students. So who are now Chetana has to define the ideal customer avatar for her training program. So first of all, who would join the Chetana's program? Okay, basically if we think, we have the job seekers, right? Job seekers.
Yes.
We have the job seekers, and again we
Yes,
have
sir.
the working professionals. Two different segments
Yes.
we can guys. So ideal customer avatar is a job seeker 1, job seeker 2, job seeker 3. In the job seekers also we have multiple avatars. That is what I am trying to say. And in the working
Yes.
professionals also you have multiple things. So you need to identify them in detail. In the job seekers, okay, in the job seeker section, the people who do
Okay.
not have communication skills,
Huh.
the people who do not have communication skills.
Communication skills.
And the second one, the people who have communication skills but they do not know the proper process. or that people they have the communication skills, but they do not they are not intelligent, or they do not have the skills, the proper skills. Okay,
Proper. Hmm.
so you have separated. So again, let us take, you name someone, like you take someone like Raju is there, Somu is there, some Kalyan is there. So Raju is something, he is completely, he can't speak even a one word English, and Somu is
Okay.
there and he can speak English, but he doesn't know what to talk. Okay, so this is one profile. Likewise,
Or
if
he
you
doesn't
yeah,
have the confidence to speak.
yes. So likewise, in the job seekers only, you can segment multiple people, multiple different problems. Okay, and
Okay, sir.
you should target each and every one, like they all are your customer. Now, if you go with an advertisement, and can't you speak English, or would you like to speak in English in within 1 hour or 4 hours or 5 hours? You need a formula. You connect with me. They can connect. So every individual ICP, if you speak their language, they will connect with you. Got it? Otherwise, if you generally focus on learn English, spoken English course, who will join? Because you are not at all addressing their problem. So these ICPs or ideal customer avatars we are creating, so that to target every individual. See, segment is the broad one, like the people who can buy your product for sure. So for me, job seekers or the working professionals are my segment. But in that segment also, we need to identify the specific customer profiles. We need to identify the very specific minute, like there is nothing, like everything you are doing, like you are working now at this nano level. Okay,
Yes, sir.
we are working at the nano level and we are framing it, so you need to spend some time on it. Okay, it may take two
Yes.
days 3 days 1 week, but you should come up. So the more you speak with your students, the more you speak with your students, you can understand their psyche, what is that problem they have, and in which category they belong to. So likewise, you will find a different categories of the students, so they all are the different segments for you. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So likewise, you need to identify them. So guys, everybody is able to understand what we are discussing. So in the
Yes.
same way, for a business, like if you take the real estate business, so in the real estate business also, uh, to make my real estate sales, I need to target the rich people or the rich professional. Like everybody says, software engineer. Software engineer is a very broad term. Okay, in the software engineering also, in the software industry, there will be a lot of designations. There will be a project manager, there will be a test team leader, there will be a project uh, project manager, and again project lead will be there. Okay, there will be a quality test engineer, so test engineer will be there. Okay, so testing leader may be there. The different designations will be there in the IT industry only. So every designation is your ideal customer profile. Like, just imagine, if you target the real estate, how many ICPs you can find? Hundreds of ICPs you can find. Got it? Can't you find that? So first we need to define those hundreds. How many designations we have? What is their capacity? What is their salary packages? Right? And depending upon their purchase, their earning capacity, we should segregate them. Got it? So that is how we need to plan everything in advance. Okay, so marketing is not happening luckily. As you are planning everything, you are here. Okay, now if I take my ICPs, my digital marketing ICPs, you tell me whether I have planned for you or not. Okay, you should tell that. So now who will learn my digital marketing? Graduates. So here also have the graduates who are job seekers. Okay, got graduates who want to learn. who want to get a job, and work from home professional, like somebody who want to work from home, and somebody who wants to promote their business. So these all are the objectives which they have. Okay. Then again, in the graduates, I have targeted the job seekers are again in the different groups: BA, BCom, okay, BA, BCom, BSc. Then we have BBA, MBA. Again in the MBA, marketing is there. MBA, finance we have targeted. Okay, MBA, HR also we have targeted. Then again we have BTech, BTech CSE, CSIT, mechanical, civil, ECE, triple E, okay, and some architecture. So just imagine we have targeted all of them, and also we have targeted the people, working professionals who want to change their career. Working professional who want to change their industry. Okay, so they are working in BPO, but they want to change their industry. They are working in pharma industry. Okay, they want to change their industry. Somebody working in banking industry and who want to change their career. Okay, so somebody who is working in real estate industry and who wants to change their industry, like somebody working in a different, like unorganized sector. Okay, unorganized sector, working for some XYZ small company, but they are not into the MNCs working, they're just passing on the time. So those people we are targeting, like somebody is in the education industry, something like that. So XYZ industry we are targeting. Okay, somebody into sales and sales of something. Okay, that industry may be something dealer distribution level, but still they wanted to change their career. Okay, we have targeted all these people, as that is the reason why you are here. Now tell me whether I have targeted you or not, whether as you have joined my course because of this, or luckily you have got, luckily I got you over here. Just now you need to judge. Guys, tell me whether I have planned for you or not.
Yes, you did.
Yes, you belong to this one. Which category?
Yes,
BA
sir.
become something here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you belong to definitely any one of these education group, and definitely you are a graduate, job seeker,
Yes,
or working from professional, or you have these objective like promote your business,
Right.
right? Do you have any other objectives than these? Anybody?
no, sir.
Definitely everybody has these, one of these objective only. Any other objective which I have not addressed over here? Because even I want to explore new things, right? But maximum I did my research over there. Then again, we have the job seekers in this. Okay. Then if you have the same thing now, just imagine somebody, the graduate, but they are looking for work from home opportunity or work from home skills. Again, they all are these. Okay, and they want to promote their businesses. Okay, so somebody who has passed out the graduation in the last 5 years or 6 years, okay, we are targeting them. So 10 years also we are targeting the graduates who have completed in the 10 years ago. Okay, because they wanted to do something or to promote their business, or they want to become work from home professional. So we have targeted all these people. Okay, and again working professional and who would like to change their industry. So this is also come BPO. If you write again, somebody working in BPO. Okay, so they all are the graduates working in BPO, working in pharma company. So likewise we have identified. Just imagine how many ICPs we have targeted. It is 16. 16 into 3, 48. 48, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 16 into again 6, 16 into 3. So almost all 20. So 16 into 20, 320 ICPs we are working on indirectly. Even more than that we are working. Getting my point? See, all the thing is you need to plan concretely. Then automatically it will work out. Okay, so that is how. So marketing is the focused effort. It is not a lucky, or it is not something which is coming to you by luck. It is the focused effort. So as you are trying everything, as you are planning everything in detail, that is the reason why you are getting. Now let us get into that question here now. So what exactly we ask, what we need to identify. So first we should know who are they, who is your customer, what is his name, what is his age. Like let us take Raju. Okay, so you, if you have couple of students, you talk to them and identify these questions, or you ask these questions to them, then easily you can create one avatar for him, one profile you can easily understand, right? In my class now, as of now, 20 students are there. 20 students may belong to have a different avatars now, that I can say. Okay, so let us ask yourself who you are over here. Okay, so now you take their name, their age, the gender, their marital status, parental status, location, industry in which they are working in, and what is their current job title, that is their job role designation, and what is their annual income, what is their education. Right? Now, second one is the goals and values. What drives them? What drives them to make an action in favor of you, to join this course? What drives them to join your course? So in my course, what drives the people? The pain. I need to identify the pain areas. Okay, what is that pain area over here? Because they do not have sufficient skills, they are not getting the opportunities. The job seekers I am taking. Okay, if I take the job seeker, so they lack the skills. Because of that skills, they are unable to get the jobs. So what we need to do, what do they want to accomplish in the short term? So instantly they want to get a job with a low budget. They can't invest lakhs and lakhs of rupees to learn the skills. What do they want to accomplish in the short term? They want to invest little bit, but they want to invest little money and more time also, no problem, but immediately they want to get into the job. So that is the reason why we have addressed these things in the demo session. As when you attend the demo, we have given you the confidence that you can easily get the job in the digital marketing. Okay, so those who are the job seekers, they got connected over there. Those who belongs to the work from home, so we should speak separately to them. Those who belongs to business owners, we should speak to them separately over there in the demo itself. So that is how we can target, we can satisfy everyone so that they can join your course. And what do they want to accomplish in the long term? They wanted to build their career. Okay, they wanted to build their career, and that too without any risk. They wanted to lead a happy life. Right? Suppose if you join any testing or XYZ course, what happens over there? So if the moment they leave you, they kick you out from the company, you are again zero. So you can't win your bread and butter at all. Right? Guys, is that what happened with the IT people? Somebody knows some XYZ course or some tool, and the moment they are jobless, they can't win their bread and butter for whole life. That is the problem. That is what they are getting into that danger zone. But with the digital marketing, if you learn the skill, if you do not have the job also, by simply sitting at home also you can make money. Because every business owner across the globe needs your services, need one person who can help them. Right? So you are getting more opportunities than them. Right? So that is how you will become more independent, and this is all what the drives the digital marketers. Then again, what is important to them in the way they conduct themselves personally and professionally? What is important to them? personally and professionally, the money is very important. Personally and professionally. So they want a sound or good amount of money, and they want multiple sources of income which they can easily get comfortably. So, and they want to learn those kind of skills, right? So this is how, these all are the goals and values of the customers, my ICPs. Guys, did I tell right or wrong? Did I analyze you in a proper way, or I have missed anything?
Yes,
In a
sir.
proper way.
Yes, I did. I have. I just did all the brainstorming at your end, your point of view, and I try to understand who exactly my customer and what is happening in their brains. And we did all kind of analysis over there. Okay, so this is all what we have brainstormed. Then we got to know all these things. We have asked so many students the same questions. Then we have tried to understand them. Yes, this is what happening. And now again we focus on the pain points. What are they struggling with? So Chetna, you can ask all these questions with all your students, potential customer or potential students. Okay, what do they want to help with? What do they want help with? Suppose if I take my student and if I tell them the whole process, right? If I tell them the whole process, and again they need to struggle over there, again they need to put any brain over there to find the template or book or something, or to prepare the notes, it is very difficult for them. Already they
Yes,
are
sir.
into the big problem, and again if you are asking them to do by itself themselves, so how come they proceed? So we have prepared everything for them in advance, right? We
Yes,
have
sir.
all the material, notes, content, templates, right? The PDF books we have, the videos we have gathered, we have complete, even we have given the digital marketing companies list in Hyderabad or digital marketing, because the people do not know, because it will take a lot of time for them, right? Wherever the area which is very painful area, wherever they have to invest a lot of time, we have worked on that, and we did the complete work for them, and we are giving them that in a material. Now the students got relaxed, yes, because immediately they can get into, they can save a lot of time. So we have understood their entire pain areas, all the pain areas where exactly they need. Still there are so many pain areas. I'm not saying that it is completely 100%. That is the never ending process, right? So we
Yes, sir.
have all those things, but minimum, bare minimum. Like I can say that if you ask me to rate myself on the marketing planning, I can say that 52 or 55% I have completed. Still remaining 35% or 45% is pending. There are so many things which I wanted to do, but we don't have the manpower at our end, and we need the people who work, keep on working on that. Then we can improve that later on. But still we are able to satisfy the students with that percentage only. Got it? So now what do they fear? What do they wish they could eliminate from their life? So most of the time fear that I may not get into the MNCs. Okay, so that is what the fear of the job seeker. And we provide them the solution. If you do not know English also, no problem. If you doesn't know, if you do not know how to write English also, no problem. We are teaching you all the skills over here. And if you do not know the writing or any subject content also, no problem. We have all the tools. You can just use the tool and you can write English, and that too in a fluent manner. I will show you all those things. And also apart from that, and if they fear about whether getting into MNC is easy or not, so it is very easy. Just you clear the Google certifications, then it is very easy for you to enter over there. So only you focus on the certification and maintain or identify the good rich values over there. These things will place you in MNC. Now we are providing them the solution for each and every fear. Got it? Guys, now you got it. What all the things which are happening to make a single admission into the course program. So these things, this much background work we did, that is the reason why it is happening. And the more background work you do, the more you can perform. right? Now, what do they wish they could eliminate from their life? Okay, financially they wanted to independent. Financially, they don't want to depend on anyone. Okay, so that is everybody's main problem. So we are focusing on that. And what books do they read? Okay, so we need to identify what all the books they read. So again, for a different graduates, so we have famous books over there. So we have listed that books. What blogs do they love? So every individual will have, like, suppose BTech students, how stuff they works there .com. So there are some different subject or blogs, related blogs. They visit that, and there we have promoted our ads, because that is the business secret, as I am not discussing those things. Okay, so what movies or TV shows do they watch? They watch, the most of the time the people are watching, especially the youth, especially the age group what I am talking about. They are watching the comedy movies, they are watching the entertainment movies, and they are watching the horror movies. So we are targeting the horror movies and comedy movies, and sometimes action films. So, and again, TV shows like Big Boss you can take, and there are community there are some famous TV shows. We are targeting them also. There also the people can see our ad. Have you ever seen these ads where exactly whatever I am talking about? Have you seen those things? Only you have gone through that social media only. Guys, how do you got to know us? Okay, so what social media accounts do they follow? So as obviously the Facebook is the top priority, LinkedIn and Twitter. So Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Quora also we have targeted. Who inspires them? And what events do they attend? Okay, so my students attend the money making programs. Usually they attend money making programs, they attend music events, they attend the entertainment movie releases. So these kind of places where the people are spending their time. And what do they buy? What do they buy? Okay, so there are different over here. Suppose if you take my students, so they are learning on skill development books. They are searching for the skill development books on internet. So they are more interested in skill development point. So how do they spend their spare time? So they spend their most of the students, or most of them have they spend time on reading the books, or reading something, or watching movies or something, watching some educational content. So they have this kind of psyche. So these things we have identified. So guys, if I miss anything, you can let me know. Am I telling you exactly the same thing what all you do, or I'm not saying? If still I am not doing, so there is an area wherein I need to work on. Okay, so if I am not perfect in this area, I need to work on. So you should judge that. And again, what beliefs do they hold that could prevent them from making a purchase? What beliefs do they hold that could? So this is nothing but I'm talking about the philosophy. Okay, in the sales process already 8 P's we have learned about the philosophy. I'm targeting the philosophy over there. What is the real reason they are saying no to your offer? Because see, if the job seeker is there and they say that, now how do you get the job? Do you have any tie-ups with any company? The moment I say no, that this is the demand for the digital marketing, even if the failed graduates can get the jobs, because everybody, see, it is a market problem, right? So they don't need the people or graduation or something, because they need the people who can work for them. Because even the business owners know nowadays that they don't need any intelligent people who can generate the business, because the technology is there, technology is taking care. What else these guys are doing? Got it? Just we know the technology is working. Just you should know what to add over there. That's it. It is a simple task, right? So that is how. And sometimes even the business owner can handle. So they need only a person who can handle that technology. That's it. Even the business owners nowadays, they know that, right? So that is the reason why everybody is getting the opportunities over here. So these all are the objections what we have to plan. Got it? So these things in detail we need to plan for every business, and for every ICP you need to plan. Okay, if you ask me 20 students, if I ask these questions, different answers I would get, not the same answers. Okay, that will help me in identifying, or that will help me in targeting more accurate customers for my business. Got it? Because I am the marketer, I know what to target, what not to target. The more I understand, the better ads I can write now. Because whenever I write an ad, that will exactly connect with the right people who are facing that problem. Got it? So these all are the questions which we need to plan. So guys, we have learned something at the very nano level. Okay, and I have already shared this with you in the material also. So whenever you are planning something, just to put this document in front of you and try to answer everything. First you complete this process, then you will get a lot of ideas. Okay, automatically you will get a lot of ideas what to do. Then you will plan the all activities concretely. One by one, you keep on writing that. You will get all the list of activities. Okay, so that list of activities document will become the digital marketing plan for you. Digital marketing planning document, that will become the planning document, list of activities. Got it? So this is all what we need to plan. So guys, if you have any doubt over here, you can ask. And if you ask this question, what do they do, what do they accomplish personally? No, where are they struggling with? Okay, when okay, so these things we have to plan. So they where do they spend their spare time or free time? We have a question over there, right? Where is that? What books they do, what blogs do they read, watch, inspire them? What events do they attend? Yeah, how do they spend their spare time? So this question has helped me. Like I will tell you how exactly this has helped me. So when I was targeting the ERP companies, and for the ERP companies, I need the business owner. So I need to analyze the business owner's interest first. So what exactly I did? I was going through all the LinkedIn profiles of the MDs, managing directors, or CEOs of some companies. Then in the LinkedIn profile, I got to know that somebody spends their time in spare time in Goa. They have mentioned the Goa and Malaysia, and some points they have mentioned. So then I have made that note that as they spend their spare time in Goa, so I have noted that. And likewise, I did some 20-25 samples, and I have noted all the spots, the famous spots of all my customers who do spend their time on that. So then in the marketing, I have targeted them, like somebody who has come to my website and couple of months ago. So just close the website, but we retarget them. And that customer who was just taking and enjoying or taking the rest and spending their time in the Goa on the beach, he could able to see my ad. Okay, and immediately he called to that business lead, and later on he asked, why, who is your marketer? Because they have targeted me at the right time, as I am very much comfortable, okay, in that particular location. And that is how he was very impressed. Now he became my client also, because he understood me, right? He understood how exactly we work, and how exactly my ads or my targeting methods are solving their problem. Because we ask the right question also over there in the ad. We sometimes talk very the very accurate information, very meaningful value, or we discuss the pain areas in the ad, right? So that is the reason why the people got connected. So they need the people who are doing the exactly the same. Okay, so that is how they get connected with you. So your marketing, your efforts will automatically get you the customers if you seriously implement all these things. That itself will tell the people that how serious you are, okay, about your business. So we need to have all these kind of processes at our end. So this is the process which can help you connect with your most of the customers. So Chetna, I think, did you miss any material over there? Okay guys, Now,
Yes, sir.
do you got the clarity on this? What all we need to plan? If you are planning any marketing, so these many things we need to plan it from our end. Okay, in advance. Like if it is a digital marketing strategy, from the scratch, we are planning the digital marketing strategy from the scratch. So this is all the work which you need to do. Okay. So sometimes what happens if you join in company, so those people have to do that. If you get a project wherein you are working doing everything from the scratch, then you have to follow these things. You have to follow these things. Right, guys? Any doubts over here, or is it clear? Because preparation of ICPs is very much important. Without that, we cannot. Okay. So this is very important. Even I will tell you, I will show you so that to give you confidence, even our regular projects, we ask the people to do the same thing only.
I'm so sorry.
Yes, yes. Okay. See, we have prepared these things. What we are discussing over there to restructure the campaign, we are targeting every ad group with a different ICP. So these are the ICP list. And again, this is what we are value 1, value 2, value 3. So this is all what we need to prepare. So this is the live example I am telling you, the project where we implement. And here is ICP, ideal customer profile, value, something for which people are ready to exchange the money with. Now at least you got the confidence now. Okay. So here for some businesses, we got something over here, and who knows our product, who doesn't know any. So in that also, we have stuck with only one value, but what all the other values? Got it? So this is where we are working. So we are learning everything what we are implementing it in our day-to-day life. It is not something simply I'm just teaching you over here. Got the confidence now? So we are working all the real-time practices now. So it is up to you. How do you implement it? Okay. So basically, we structure everything, the entire marketing funnel into three stages. One is the top of the funnel. The second one is the middle of the funnel. The third one is the bottom of the funnel. So top of the funnel is all the marketing channels through which you can get your customer for the first time. Wherever the customer is seeing your ad and he is clicking on that and it is helping you or reaching you, it is getting you the customer for the first time. We consider all those channels as the top of the funnel channels. Whether it may be email marketing, whether it may be Facebook marketing, whether it may be Google. So all those things. So what is that top of the funnel we target? We attract new targeted visitors. Every word is very important over there. We attract new targeted visitors over there. Then we have the middle of the funnel. So the people have come to our website. Now we should focus on capturing them. So you just focus on lead capturing tools. Okay, lead capturing methods. So guys, submit a notes on lead capturing tools and lead capturing methods. Submit a notes on lead capturing tools and lead capturing methods. You will come to know and how to submit a notes on how to nurture the leads. Write down. Submit a notes on how to nurture the leads. Okay. So these all are the questions wherein I am giving you all these assignments wherein you need to work at your end so that your brain will think in those direction. And I'm clearly saying that this moment only you will spend some time, and once if you complete this course you would never spend that much time, I'm sure. Okay, so now whatever you want to strain your brain, so you strain. So whatever the activity which I am giving, do it 100%. Those who are completing all the 100% of my activities will definitely get more confidence, and they will definitely can generate the business for themselves or for anyone. Okay, that is for sure. So again, in the bottom of the funnel, we focus on how, like already people who have filled up the form, how do we make them to convert? Okay, we will focus on that. So that is called bottom of the funnel bucket. So we have three buckets: top of the funnel bucket, middle of the funnel bucket, and bottom of the funnel bucket. So we need to identify, segregate them, and these things we need to monitor by yourself. So these all are the marketing, digital marketing funnel analytics. We focus on these. So guys, if you have any doubts, you can ask. Otherwise, we shall conclude this for the day. Any doubts over here in the funnel development process? So in the funnel development process, we have worked only on the defined personas and the targeting audience. Now we will focus on the branded content development. So in the branded content development, so we use the PowerPoint. Okay. So the moment I will tell you, so this is the PowerPoint only. So we are focusing on creating all these things, and in a PowerPoint we are able to create these things. How simply we are doing these things.
Right.
Okay, so let us take this one, and I will show you the easiest method how to create the good images or ads. So now let us understand, let us take one sample ad now. Any ad. Okay, I am talking about digital marketing. I asked you to write the ad content for digital marketing consultant. Nobody submitted. So I want to prepare an image for my digital marketing training. Okay, so I am just trying to find out the rich image. Okay, and I wanted to create the same thing. Shall we take this one? Or this one? We can take any one. This one also we can take. So just try to replicate the same thing initially, then we'll do that. So this one is also more simple. It is more complex. Or this one, yeah, this one is looking awesome, I think. So it has more work now. We can take this one or this one. Okay, anyone will work out for us. This one?
This one, yeah.
Okay, so let us create the same thing exactly as it is, right? Guys, shall we create this now? I will show you now. So the easiest method is just remove the content over there, and as already I have shown you that method, right? But now I am going to create it from the scratch. And within no time I am going to show you, within less time, how exactly we can do that. So that is it. That is no, yeah, that is in the WebP format. If is in the WebP format. So where exactly you can see that? I am no more. Like I can't do anything. Okay, so that is how deeply we are connected with the paint. Okay, now I am saving it as it is. Save as. I am saving it as a PNG format. I select it as a PNG over there. Now it will save as a PNG format. Okay.
Right.
So let us do the same thing for PPC raw now. As it is, I am doing. I am going to do with my PowerPoint. Okay, you do not need anything. So first let us understand the size for that. It is 500 by 500. So I just select. So there will be a size formatting option. So go to format. There you will be having the alignment option over here. You just to type 500 space px. Okay. Then again you have 500 space px. Yeah. And I will try to replicate the same thing. So the background of this is something like white, right? So let us do that. So format shape. So there is a fill option. In that you select the solid fill is blue. Now as of now there is no border for that. So temporarily I am putting the border. Now later on I wanted to remove that border. Now I need something a circle at this end and something circle at this end. I wanted a photograph over there in the circle. So let us do that. I am taking a circle now, big circle. Okay. And for this in the PowerPoint we have the line and they have applied the blue color over there. So let me select the blue color first, which color they have selected. So there is a pick tool which can help us identifying the color. If you click on that edit, it will give you the code. RGB code is 254980. Remember that 254980 is what the color code of that blue color. So I am just changing this. It is the line color, solid line. So what is that? 25
49 and 80.
49
80.
80. Okay, so that is the blue color and it is more thick over there. So I am increasing the size. So are you getting the same kind of stuff? So 2 point or 3 points, let us see. 3 points. It is more compared to
More.
that. So maybe it is 2 points only. Yeah, it is 2 points only. Okay, so now I wanted to put a image over there in that. So it is also very easy. So first we need to download one image which exactly the same thing. So let us find same thing you may not find but relevant you can find. Yeah, go to Google. Okay, so girl with computer sitting on table. Got it? All the questions, all these images, you got it. So you just select which image you want. So especially in the advertisement, we must connect any ad with the real human. Okay, if you use this kind of thing, you will not get connected with the people. It may attract, like looking wise, it may be good, but you may not attract the people. So you should identify the good one. The image must look at them. Okay, so we need to identify that. This one may be good, but it is not the good looking one. So we need to identify the really good looking woman image over there. Okay, so let us find some good images. Shall we use this?
Yep.
Actually, we need to find the right good image, because they have selected studying vector concept. Let us take sitting posture. Okay, so working woman, I'm just typing that. Let us see. Yeah, I am getting the good images. I think they have added this one, right?
Yes, it's looking like they added it.
Let us see if we have the same thing. Yeah, maybe this one is what I'm looking for. Okay, so because it is looking at the face. Okay, this is what
Yeah.
really I want. Okay, I will add this one.
Okay.
I'm just saving. Okay, so here we have the picture. So here you select the picture, go to file and select this image. Got it? So you got the image over there, but it is the same thing. And even if you need more in detail, so you need to set up the background. I will show you that method also. Let us take this no fill, and we have, let us in the effects now. So now this is the picture. So make it something like this. Okay, select this circle. So bring it to front. Okay, is it looking good now? Now what I need to do? So I select both the objectives. Then we have the format option. Okay, okay. So select the both. So the trick is you need to select the both over there. So go to format now. Here we have the merge shape, and I want to combine. when I select the format,
Recording in progress.
okay, so when this actually what exactly happens over here is when you select this, both the things if you select,
Right, sir.
so it will give you the fragment. So fragment means whatever you don't need, you that delete it. So the moment when I say it in my system, it is just doing the fragmentation is happening, but I'm not able to delete it. So just you need to select it, or maybe I will do it in this way. Okay, got it? Yeah. Now you got the same thing over here. Now we should bring center back. It holds that image now. So you can try it at your end. But otherwise, for us, we have the same circle method we have, and we have added the photograph over there, right? So that method also works well for us. So this is also works well for us. So this is 2 lines, 2 points. Done. So now we are just saving this, and again I need another circle which can help me over there. So this also I need. So I just need this object and this object, and this object I wanted to fill with yellow color. Okay, the color is lemon yellow, I think. Yeah, this one, or else I can go to this and pick my color. So this is edit color. It is 255 211 1. 255 211 1. 211. It is 1. Okay, now you got the same color over here. Now I don't need the line for this. Now I wanted to cut that. So now you have this object and this object. Now here also the same thing. Merge shapes, fragment, intersect, subtract. So I need combine. This is the combine effect. This is the union effect. So I need the fragment. So I'm using the fragment. Now what exactly I can do? I need only this image, this shape only I will get. Okay. It was not working as for that, otherwise it would have worked. Okay, because that is the image, as it is not working, so I must include it in an object like a square option, something like that. Then if I do that combination, it may work out. I need to try that. Okay, now I got that shape now, so I need only this shape now. So you add this image now over here. Okay, remove this circle now, as we don't need this at all, right? You got this, and you don't want to fill it up, you have this circle over here, and I don't want to fill it up with the yellow color. I just need the white color for this. I just need bring to forward. Okay, so I will add the solid line so that easily I can understand that. Now I can bring it forward. I can add this color over here. Okay, now for this I can add this image over here. Let me take 5 mm by 5. No, it may be even more. 6 by 6, 7 by 7. Okay, now I just need to again do the fragmentation only. Select this one and this one, both the objectives. Now I'll go to format and do the fragment. So now what can I do? I can just we should only subtract that one, otherwise leave it in another way, we can do that. Okay, so this is the case. Now I have to add, I have to get this shape like this, the two shapes over there. So let us see how do I get these shapes for that. Insert a square box, up to here there is one square box. So leave this, put it this separately. Okay, and even we don't need this also. I will delete this. I will insert, yeah. So let us do the same thing first. So this one is, let us create the shape first. So now I will take copy, Control V. Okay, so we have something over here. Now let us take, insert one more shape. Okay, then Control C, Control V. First let us merge these things. Okay, so same thing I need to connect with the same size. Yeah, now I should merge this. Okay, so this is one shape, it is added now, and I'm adding this one also to this. Okay, now okay, now we have these two objects, this one and this one. Now format. So I just need to subtract that. Combine, fragment, intersect, subtract. Okay, so I'm just subtracting that. So but I am missing a shape over there as a curve. So I just need to play with the same thing. Like the two circles I need to place in a same place, and I should subtract it from 1. Okay, so that shape, let us do it. Yeah, earlier how exactly we did for that, let us do the same thing in that way. Insert, shape, color. Okay, we have this, and let us add these two circles. Okay, you just see the shape over there, you try to observe that. Now let us select all these things, three objectives, and fragment it. So now you have all the pieces, whatever the pieces you want to subtract, you can subtract. Oh, it is not, actually we have to add the both so that it can give us a new fraction. So there was a gap in between the two circles, so we are unable to do that. So let us do it again. So there should be no gap over here, we should touch that, exactly the same thing. As there is a gap in between these, so it is intersecting now. Yeah, right, it is touching both the things. Now let us select all these things. Now again fragment that. Yeah, yes, we got the shape now. So we should, so again, yeah, so just let me, Yeah, so we don't need that, so I just need to delete this fragment only, not the So now again, see, anyhow, so in this way only you need to work. So now it should be no line, it should be no line, so there should be no gap. Okay, so this is how you can easily, so there is a fraction which I wanted to delete over here. Yes, small piece. Yeah, got it. So now you merge both the shapes. This one, this one. Now you merge the shape, union. Got it. So for now this one, again if you want to reduce it, you can add one more circle over there and you can fine tune that. But anyhow, I got you the shape now, whatever we need to do. So now we have these two things now. So I just need to add it something like this. So now I will take another shape. Okay. So it is 500 space pixel, 500 space pixel, right? So then it is again no fill. There is where you should add. Okay, so this one is over here, this one is over here, this one is on top. Now something we should add some let us take one more yellow color circle. Okay, so now no fill for this. Yeah, now I should fill it up with yellow color, this one or this one. What is that yellow color one? This one, I think. Yeah, now I should send it backward. Okay, got that effect. Now we have send it back. Now if you want, you can even further manage this. Right, now here I need to fill up with the complete blue color one, the perfect one. Now I need one more circle over there. So we have two circles, something like this. You can take this up. That is the donut size, or else you can take the circle only. So it is 5 pixel, it is also 5 pixel. Okay, so now one more, fill it up with the white color, and there is a border for that. Control C, Control V, then again you fill it up over there, right? So then you add the text. I'm not showing you the text, how to add the text over there, and let us see how to create this kind of shape. So now I need one more shape, which is a square one, to highlight this with black color, filling with black color. Okay, so there should be no line for it, and I need a cross shape for that. So again we have the Smart Arts. There is a free form, so this will fill up the gap. So whatever you take it, it will create a shape for you. Okay, I am filling that with a black color.
From where you select this one, sir?
Let me complete it. Yeah, I got the shape. So I'm just filling it up over there. So there is a tool which is a free form tool over here in the insert.
Okay.
So there is a insert, there is a free form tool. Okay, so that will create any shape whatever you want. So this is the freedom tool. Okay, so this will create an object for you whatever you select. Got it? So now I have used that. I have used that method over here and created that shape, and now you got almost all the template, right? So just you need to add the text over there. Got it? So is it easy, guys, or difficult?
Was easy.
Was
Not
easy.
that difficult. What,
Yes.
like it's a lot of work, but it's really good.
Okay, so by observing something, what exactly they are doing, so by observing something only you can get that things done. So initially you try to get the things done. Okay, so then it is very easy because the subtraction tool will work out very effectively for us, that whatever the we are subtracting, right, fragmentation. So the fragment can be done with the same object, not with a different object. So image and object, not that. So you should bring that object, that image into our subject. So what was not working for me, as I have tried initially with the image, so I should take a square image, the square rectangle. In that, if I add this image and then if I fragment it, it will work out. Okay, so likewise easily one can create this thing. Okay, guys.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right, sure. Thank you. So that's all it for the day. We'll continue tomorrow. Yeah.
Sir, I
Learn
have one
anything?
question.
Yeah.
So, sir, yesterday I was asking, what is that? I sent you some pictures, right? To get a certification for the Google Ads. So when I'm going, so I'm able to do that. But the thing is that it's taking me direct to the search ad. So the Google ad, it comes under the Google Ads, or there is a separate certification
No,
for
no, no.
Google
In the
Ads?
Google Ads only we have search, display, and all these things. Already I told you, right?
Right. So in the Google Ads, I have to do the search ads, display, video, and shopping ads,
Google
right?
Ad, yes, Google Ads is the tool name. In that we have so
Isn't it?
many certification.
Okay. I thought the Google Ads itself is a module.
No, no. Google Ads is the tool name.
Tool name. And then we have to do the search ads, display, video, and shopping ads.
Yes.
Okay, sir. I got it. Thank you. Bye, sir.
Guys, so
Take care. Have a
yes,
great day.
guys, learning anything. So you have so many tools on PowerPoint tools. Just try to go to YouTube and try to learn these things. You can learn even so many effects.
Sir,
Yes.
like you said us to submit the ads.
Mhm.
Can we do it likewise in submit? Can
Likewise
we
means
try
I
this
didn't get.
method? Can we apply this same method and then write to the ads over there?
Yeah,
If we
right.
do
No,
not?
no. Yeah. What's wrong? So copy paste. Put your brain.
Okay.
You will learn so many
Yes, sir.
things. You add a couple of, see, you select the couple of different ads, and you
Yes, sir.
analyze that, and you combine, come up with a new content. What's wrong in that?
Yes, sir. Okay,
So
sir.
it is always better to start something like not from the zero. If you are do something, you are starting from zero. But if you collect all these things and doing something, so because see somebody has created this, a lot of effort might have they might have put in over there, right?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
from
sir.
you are that analyzing that and another one, other one. So you are going, you are starting one, not one step, not the 0 to 100. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so better
Like
start that
using
one,
the
not one.
infographics and all.
Yes. Why do you start from zero?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so likewise
Yes.
for your English also, for anything also, use the internet. We have a lot of sources. So copy that.
Yes, sir.
Nothing is crime. Okay, no,
Yes,
nothing
sir.
is offense over here. So that is also copy paste. नकल को भी अकल होनी चाहिए ना. So उसको भी लिए
Yes,
भेजा
sir.
चाहिए. So what is right, what is not, you are judging. So you come up
Yes,
with
sir.
that new strategies. Not at all
Yes, sir.
problem. Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Get that.
Yes, I'll try and I'll get back to you.
Yes. Yes.
Thank you, sir. So
Thank you.
long. Have a great day.
Have a great day.
Bye, everybody. Bye.